The importance of data structures and algorithms in binary land. Hello everyone! This film portrays the story of how algorithms and data structures are essential to programming. Let's get going without wasting too much of your time.
Once upon a time, in a kingdom called Binary Land, the king and his subjects were in a predicament. Even the most basic activities took a very lengthy time to complete in their realm due to the severe inefficiencies. The king, a wise man, saw that their antiquated information processing and storage technologies were the primary cause of the issue. In order to find a solution, he called for the bravest and smartest engineers in the nation. The engineers were capable of the job, and they soon learned how effective data structures and algorithms are. They began by arranging information in a method that was both effective and simple to understand, using arrays and linked lists. The speed at which they could now find information and retrieve it astounded the kingdom. The engineers received riches and accolades from the monarch, who was happy with the development. The developers then focused on the sorting issue. They quickly sorted data into ascending or descending order using techniques including bubble sort, insertion sort, and rapid sort. Now, the kingdom could analyze data much more quickly and come to wiser conclusions. The engineers continued in this manner. The king was introduced to the benefits of tree data structures like binary trees and AVL trees by them. The engineers demonstrated to the monarch how these data structures might be utilized for effective searching in databases and file systems, which allowed the kingdom to find information even more quickly. Finally, the engineers explained the idea of graphs to the king. The kingdom could now determine the shortest routes between nodes and simulate real-world issues like social networks and transportation networks. The king and his followers were now living happily ever after in a much more effective and productive kingdom known as Binary Land. The engineers, now known as the algorithm wizards, kept researching and developing new, effective techniques for processing and storing data. Thus, the algorithm wizards' mythology endures as a monument to the strength of data structures and algorithms and their capacity to tackle even the most challenging issues. The end.
In a computer program, data structures are structured and ordered ways to store and work with data. Data structures like arrays, linked lists, trees, and graphs are examples. Algorithms are detailed processes for resolving issues and carrying out tasks. Algorithms can be used to process, sort, and search data stored in a data structure in the context of data structures. For instance, a search algorithm can be used to look for a specific piece of data stored in a tree data structure, and a sorting algorithm can be used to order data stored in an array. Let's carry on with our programming/coding journey. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the next video.